and welcome to TechOBS. Today I'll be showing you how you can change the right-click interface back to the old school Windows 10 interface. As you can see right here, I have the old Windows 10 right-click menu right here. So I'll be showing you how you can change that as well in Windows 11. So I have two different codes right here, and you can use it to change it from the old to the new, or from the new back to the old one. So the old one over here means that we'll be getting the Windows 10 old right-click view, and with the new one here we can get the Windows 11 right-click view. So I will put the code in the description. So it's really simple. First of all, how you can use it is by opening the terminal over here. So you just right click and open in terminal. You can also find this in Windows 11 right click menu as well. So once you have opened this one, all you need to do is copy the new one over here. So copy the whole line over here and just paste it over here and press enter, and you can see without any restart or anything, it has changed back to the old one. I mean the new Windows 11 one. Sorry for the confusion. So this is the Windows 11 right click menu, and if you want to change it back to the Windows 10 right click menu, you can copy this code right here, right click, open in terminal, paste the code. But there is a catch. You won't be able to see the code, I mean Windows 10 right-click interface until you restart. So it didn't take a restart for me when I switched back to the Windows 11 right-click view, but it will take a restart to get the effect and change it to the Windows 10 view. So I'll see you after that. So after the restart, I will right-click on it and take a look at that. I got the Windows 10 right-click interface right here. So yeah, that is how you change the right-click interface in Windows 11 back to Windows 10. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it.